What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, do your boy a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Do all three. Let's make this a trifecta. Hey, we're going to go ahead and talk about cryptocurrency right now. We're in the midst of seeing these altcoins literally bleed out. What the heck is going on? We're going to talk about some of the blood that we're seeing in the cryptocurrency market at this particular time. But before we get into those topics of the day, like we always do, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is $93,500. We did see Bitcoin dip down to $91,000. We saw a little bit of a pump, almost got to $95,000. We got a little bit excited because we thought it was going to surpass 95,000 and continue to run. But just as we were getting our hopes up, there was another little bit of a dip. So emotions are all over right now. This is literally a doggone emotional roller coaster like we have, I won't say never seen before, but because we've seen it, but just to actually be experiencing it in real time once again is breathtaking. Make sure you take your nauseation medicine. Drink your 7 Up or Sprite because your stomach may be upset. Your portfolio is definitely probably upset, but that's what we are. That's what we signed up for. So, nevertheless, that's why I say keep your seatbelts on, keep your helmets on because the volatility will definitely arise, and that's what's happening right now. Bitcoin dominance is at 56.75%. A little bit on the high side. We would like to see that start to make its way down to 55%, so forth and so on. Fear and greed index is continuing to tick in the downward direction. Now we are at a 48 indicator for the fear and greed index. Ethereum, oh man, ETH can't even catch a break. Oh man, Ether's $3,300, 12% dominance. We thought we was getting ready to see Ethereum do a little bit of a pump. Got pulled back also. So that's the overview of what's going on in the market. That's the housekeeping. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that's going on in the market. We know today, even Bitcoin is up today, $1,000. Altcoins are still down. Altcoins are bleeding out. Is this a bloodbath? No, it's not quite a bloodbath. I would call it maybe a baby bloodbath because a bloodbath. Ooh, man, we ain't even gonna talk about a bloodbath because I've been through several bloodbaths the last cycle, and those things make this look like a cakewalk. So, nevertheless, altcoins are down. Folks are wondering what's going on. Why is Bitcoin up $1,000, a couple of percent, or maybe 1%, and altcoins can't catch a break? I'm looking at H bar. H bar is down 20% on the week. I'm looking at Chainlink. Chainlink is down 20% on the week. These are some of the legacy coins. These are some of the large cap coins that folks have great conviction in, that folks are saying will do great multipliers. I'm looking at Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin is down 20%. I see one dude on the internet say Jasmy coin is supposed to hit $1. Jasmy coin is barely able to hit 5 cents. Helium Network down 24% on the week. So on the week, doggone things getting destroyed. On the day, altcoins are getting blasted also. So portfolios are down. Market sentiments are down. Emotions are up. Emotions are down. Folks are not knowing what the heck to expect. Quarter 4 is ending right now. We got a few hours left. It's 4 o'clock on the West Coast, 7 o'clock on the East Coast. So 5 hours left for the year of 2024. Happy New Year's to all y'all out there. Make sure y'all be safe tonight. Nevertheless, that's why we keeping our seatbelts on, keeping our helmets on in this cryptocurrency market to make sure that we are safe. We're protecting our emotions. Most importantly, we're protecting our portfolios. This is nothing new. You will have your ups, you will have your downs in the cryptocurrency market. The same way you're excited and you're able to be patient when you're up, it goes both ways. You got to be able to be even keel. When the market is going down, you can't freak out. You don't freak out when the price is going up. So don't freak out when the prices is going down if you trust in the cycle. If you trust in the 4-year cycle, then you have to understand that this doggone bull market, the parabolic 2025, year after the Bitcoin happened, is a couple hours away. So that's what we're going to trust. We're going to trust the 4 year cycles because we know first there's a bear market, then you got accumulation, then after that you got the doggone bull market, what we hopefully is getting ready to experience in 2025. Saw a little bit of it towards the end of 2024. Um, March 2024, we did see Bitcoin hit $73,000. Guess what? A lot of folks were saying, "Oh, I think that was the top. I think this cycle is going to be different. The top ended early this cycle." That's what they were saying during the summer of 2024 as the prices were consolidating. We were going through a lot of volatility to the downside after we hit $73,000 Bitcoin in March 2024. There was a lot of folks out there saying that that was the top. They don't think it's going to get higher than $73,000. Well, a lot of people believe that because, it looked like it wasn't, but they wasn't trusting the cycle. They wasn't trusting the process. They were just going off of natural emotions. So guess what happened December 4th? December 4th, Bitcoin hit six figures, hit $100,000, surpassing the $73,000 mark from March 2024 that folks were saying that was never going to be broken. They said that was going to be the high. They said the market was ending early this particular cycle. So guess what they're saying right now? You know it. They saying that December was probably the high. It hit $108,000. I don't think it's going to get past $108,000. So these are folks that are letting their emotions run them instead of stepping back, trusting the cycle, trusting the charts that we have seen cycle after cycle, 4 years after 4 years. Every time after the doggone big year of the Bitcoin halving, that's when we really start to make our gains. Yeah, we made gains in 2024. Those were small gains. Nevertheless, the big money is made the year after the Bitcoin halving. Are we in the year after the Bitcoin halving yet? No, we're not. So why are you panicking about your portfolio being down, the lack of money that you've made, so forth and so on? Bitcoin have been outperforming the market. No doubt about that, which is what Bitcoin does every 4 years. Altcoins may have underperformed this particular year of the Bitcoin halving. Some have not. You can look at Solana. Solana performed great. There's a lot of other altcoins that have performed great, but as a whole, these doggone altcoins kind of underperform. Is it the fact that we saw so many new meme coins coming to the cycle this most recently? We did see the Solana ecosystem. Tons of meme coins came in. We did see the new base platform. Tons of meme coins came in. Did the effect of all these meme coins suck out some of the liquidity from some of the other coins that may have performed well? Well, that's a question that we got on the table. So that's something new that was not here the previous cycle. So, each cycle there's always something different. But what we're going to do, we're going to rock and roll with whatever is coming our way. At the same time, trusting the cycle, trusting the fundamentals of the 4 year cycle, and that's what we're going to continue to push by. We did see Pepe Coin had a little bit of a pop today. That was one of the bright spots in my portfolio. Nevertheless, what we been doing all year, we've been buying the dips. As we trust the process, we've been buying the dips. So if your portfolio, if you got some dry powder on the side and your portfolio is a little bit on the thin side, you need to fill it out. H bar down 20% on the day. Helium down 25% on the week. Chainlinks down 22% on the week. These are some great coins that will perform great in 2025. Always good to get excited and buy these things while they're red. A lot of folks tend to get excited when the market is green. Bitcoin's up $8,000. The other altcoins are up 25% in one day. That's when folks like to get excited and start to buy at the top in the green, which is the opposite of what we should be doing. We should be buying in the red and riding these things right back to the top. So we're expecting great things for the year of 2025. We're a few years away from 2025. Quarter one should be outstanding. The entire year of 2025, who knows where the top will be. Some folks are saying that this cycle may go past 2025 may lead into 2026. Who knows? But we have been seeing a lot of different things when you really start to break it down in a overview scope. Things have been lining up different than they have the previous cycle. Nevertheless, the overall trajectory of the overall 4 year cycle have been pretty much the same. So folks are just wondering where the top will be. When should we be selling? But one of the things that's been working for one of my portfolios is the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index, when you see that thing hit extreme greed, selling, press the sell button. Wait till that thing come back down to where it is right now, where you at 48. You're back in neutral, below neutral. Then you start to buy back in, running back up to extreme greed. Try to time the top of the Bitcoin, all that kind of stuff. So, like I say, it's more than one way to skin a cat. But it's a process. Nobody understand it completely. This is a brand new asset class that is developing right before our eyes. So we're all learning in real time. Nobody got the manuscript. Nobody got the doggone manual book as far as when to get in, when it's going in, all that kind of stuff. So all we're doing is trusting the information that's out there, that's been around the previous 3 cycles, and applying it to the cycle that we're in right now, the 2024-2025 cryptocurrency bull market cycle. So have a happy new year. Y'all be safe out there. Come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday. And I'm out.